one. Cute little boys. Got two of them. Born on the 11th on Saturday. We have one tiny. There. He's a party carrier. He gonna be like his papa. Oh, look at your face. I know, sweetie. There you go. And over here, we have a gorgeous party boy. Just a grimy baby. I know you're trying to clean him up. I got him. Look at that cute baby boy. I know. Look. Bow. 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 Look at that. Two boys. One party carrier, one full party. And he uses his brother as a tool. Too cute. Look at them babies. You gotta come up with some names, though. Yes, I do. Too cute. Too cute. Good mommy, her did good. I sure did. Yes. Good girl.